Hey guys, this is Hijabadore here. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope that you're already subscribed to my channel before I even get into the video. Today I'm here with my BOXYCHARM and it's open. Yes, you guessed it right. I created this makeup look using all the products that I got in my BOXYCHARM for the month of September. After I'm done telling you guys what I got in the box, I will be showing you a little demo. It's just gonna be me using the products. I will leave the timestamps down below in the description box if you're only here to see the products in action, and if you're here to see me unbox each and every product. And also I will be telling you my first impressions and what I feel about the products after using them today, because of course I've only used them once, so I wouldn't be able to tell you a whole detailed review, but you know what I mean, right? Everything I did in this makeup today, I filmed everything. I will be maybe cutting them in little clips and then I'll be posting them on Instagram, and at the end of this video you would only see these products in action. Other than that, you can follow me on Instagram at hijabadore, so you're able to see my brow tutorial and my foundation application. Let's get started with the box. Okay, so this is the little card that came in the box. I mean, I've been showing you the boxes for so long that I don't even have to tell you how the box looks like or whatever, but there is a little protection in here, and then you know all the products are in there. But this is the card that came in there, and when you open it up, this is what basically the theme is this month, which is a wildflower. And then this is their campaign photo, and then on the back of the card there's always like little offers and you know coupon codes and stuff. So let's keep the card on the side over here so I can tell you the price of each and every product that I show you. I get my BOXYCHARMS for free sent to me to unbox these, and I'm affiliated with BOXYCHARMS, so there's a link down below in the description box. If you sign up through my link, I literally make a very small percentage over that. If you want to sign up for BOXYCHARM, you can sign up for it. You pay $21 every month and you get like 5 to 6, sometimes you get 6 products as well every month, and they're all full-size products. And you get free shipping, but if you live in Canada you have to pay like $5 shipping. So that's just what I wanted to tell you before I get into the box. So the first thing that I really fell in love with, I actually didn't think so because I usually don't like blushes that have shimmer, but this blush is Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. This shade is Tropic Hues, and this retails for $28, and I am wearing it as a highlighter. When I swatched it, I was like, oh my god, this is legit a highlighter, so I don't even have to worry about a blush that has shimmer in there. But let me show you a little swatch of it. Oh my god, there's henna on the back of my hand. It's fading, but I'll just swatch it right there. As you can see, that is the blush, but when you blend it, it kind of becomes like a highlighter. There's a lot of lighting in this room, so I don't know if the glow is reflecting or not, but it's looking really nice on my face. Like you can see how it's shining, but then I also have the Becca highlighter on top of it, so it's like the perfect glow for you, but it's not like a straight up highlighter that would just give you a crazy highlight. But I do like how it's kind of pink, so it just gives you that very cute kind of a glow. So I actually really like this. And then the next thing, guys, is this. So this palette is called Nightingale, and the company is called Pretty Vulgar, and this is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it looks like a little bird cage, so cute. And I used like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades out of here today on my eyes. I'm wearing them. At the end of the video you can see the palette in action, and also there's a mirror. I don't have anything negative to say about the eyeshadows. They're not the best quality eyeshadows, but then again they're not the worst quality eyeshadows either. Like I'm wearing them, and you just have to put in a little bit extra work to blend the darker shade like black and then this brown or whatever, but the shimmers are fine. It's not like your Anastasia shimmers, but still they're pretty nice. And this palette retails for $35, and I think I've seen this brand at Sephora as well. And excuse my dirty fingers because I just did my makeup. If you're a neutral kind of a girl, you would love this palette. I don't think that it has any warm shades in here. They're all very neutral shades, browns and grays and blacks in there. So yeah, if you're a fan of these kind of colors, of course you're gonna love the palette. So the next product, I actually didn't even put it back in the box. This is the Lorac liquid pro liquid lipstick, and this retails for $19. I am wearing it right now. I honestly think that this is very lightweight. You literally just take like one swipe and it's like very, very pigmented. This is the swatch of it, and the shade is deep burgundy, and this is a very nice shade, and I feel the fall is coming and I feel like this shade would be perfect for fall. Alrighty, and then the next thing is actually 3 things, but they came together in a little plastic bag that I don't know where it went, but these are the Alamar Cosmetics brush set, and this brush set is called Ojitos brush set. This retails for $18, and basically you get a blending brush in here, which is a very nice fluffy blending brush. I mean, it's a decent blending brush, and then there is a little flat eyeliner kind of brush. I did not use it today. And then there is a little concealer, or you know, the brush to apply your pigments or your shimmer eyeshadows and stuff. So yeah, it's a pretty nice brush set. I feel like every time BOXYCHARM sends me brushes, it's just like the best box, because I just love collecting brushes. I feel like I can never have enough brushes. I honestly only used this today. I did not end up using these 2, so I will be using them in future. But when I see a brush, I can tell how the quality is, and the quality is pretty decent, and for $18 it's a pretty nice brush set. And then the last product I actually tried using, but I couldn't really get it to work for me, and it is this eyeliner. This is called Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. This retails for $19. This is basically, you know, that MAC's pizza cutter eyeliner. Okay, so this is such a tiny tip, like a very, very tiny little pizza cutter kind of a situation going on. I do own some of these by Revlon and then also from CoverGirl. They're not this thin. This one is literally like crazy tiny. Like this is very, very sharp and very, very thin. But guys, the formula is amazing. I honestly swatched like right here, if you can see. There is still some eyeliner fading over here. I've been washing my hands all day long, and I even cooked and everything, but the eyeliner still wouldn't come off. Like I literally rubbed it so much before I started filming the makeup tutorial, and it would still not come off. So I feel like the eyeliner is really, really long lasting, crazy waterproof. Like I don't even have to read the instructions or anything about it, because I know that this is crazy waterproof. But I just can't get it to work for me, because this pizza cutter thing just looks good in pictures and videos, and you know, it feels like a very amazing idea, but I don't think that it can work for me at all ever, because you need some other level of artistic skills for it to work for you. Like I literally created the little wing with this, but then of course you can't really fill in the wing with this eyeliner, so you have to go in with another eyeliner that you can use to kind of draw on your lid and then, you know, fill in the little wing. But this eyeliner I feel like could just work for like the people that have a really, really sturdy hand. Okay, so the box comes around like 110 or 120. I don't like to do the math, but I just, you know, kind of figured it out by looking at all the prices of the products on here, which is pretty amazing. I mean, you only pay $21, and I say it in almost every BOXYCHARM unboxing that even if I wasn't getting free BOXYCHARM boxes, I would have been subscribed to them because they're just that amazing. I actually got my sister hooked on these. A lot of people ask me like, what number is your box? This I think determines the variety of the box. So this is, mine is number 3, and the weight of my box is 0.80. That is all the information for this box for the month of September. Let's get into the makeup tutorial.
Looking amazing, like I'm so perfect, like I know when I don't know, like I deserve the shit that you put me through. I don't really do anything bad. You're just looking for a reason, get mad. Why you out here tweaking like that? Why do you go looking for something? No, I can't even say. Why do I get caught up in all of your selfish games? All you do is hate on me like every single day. All I know is something's gotta change. I don't lose my patience. I don't keep you waiting always. I don't make you crazy, 'cause I'm looking amazing, yeah. I told you I'm looking amazing, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Don't lose my patience. Don't keep you waiting always. Don't make you crazy, 'cause oh, you know I'm looking amazing, yeah. So perfect, like I know, no, I don't know. True. Alright, I might deserve the shit that you put me through, but I don't really do many things bad. You're just looking for a reason, get mad. Oh, why you out here tweaking like that? 'Cause
okay guys, so that was it. I hope that you guys like my look, and I hope that you can click the like button down below. And also, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and be subscribed to my channel. Take care. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, like my page on Facebook, subscribe over here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.